Lesson 9. Doubling. Goals for this lesson. I understand the idea of doubling. Welcome. Today we'll be discussing doubling. Let's talk about what doubling is. Let's just break this down into the word double. Double means two of the same thing. So, if you get double tickets out of an arcade machine, say you got 10 tickets, but you got also double tickets, that would mean you get another of the same thing, so total you would have 20 tickets. So doubling is getting two of the same thing. So we're taking the amount of our same thing, or amount of the thing we have, like tickets, and we're doubling it by adding the same thing to it to get 20. Now let's identify which ones of these are doubling and which ones aren't. We're going to solve the ones that are doubling. Is 10 plus 10 doubling? Remember, are these the same? Yes, 10 plus 10 is doubling because we're adding the same thing twice. So that's going to equal 20. Is 11 plus 10 doubling? No, it is not adding the same thing. Is 20 plus 20 doubling? Yes, because we are adding the same thing together. Now we get 40 because 2 plus 2 equals 4 and 0 plus 0 equals 0. Now 5 plus 6. Is 5 plus 6 doubling? No, it is not doubling. But now let's go back and solve all of them. 11 plus 10. First we'll add our tens places. 1 plus 1 gives us 2. And then we add our ones places. 0 plus 1 gives us 1. Now let's add 5 plus 6. So we know 5 plus 5 gives us 10, and then we have an extra 1 left over. So we end up with 10 plus 1 equals 11. Let's identify which ones are doubling again. 11 plus 11, is that doubling? Yes, that is doubling because we're adding the same number to itself. So 11 plus 11. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. So we get 22. 11 plus 13, is that doubling? No, 11 and 13 are not the same number. 7 plus 7. Is 7 plus 7 doubling? Yes, it is doubling. So, now we need to add 7 plus 7. What plus 7 gives us a 10? It's going to be 3. 7 is what? What plus 3? 4. So we have 10 plus 4, which gives us 14. Now, is 6 plus 6 doubling? That's right, it is. But what's the answer to 6 plus 6? Well, I know 6 and 4 make a 10, so I'm going to split that into 4 and 4, 5, 6. So 2. 4 plus 2 gives us 6. So I have 10 plus 2 equals 12. Now let's go back and solve this one. 1 plus 1 gives us 2. 1 plus 3 gives us 4. So 24. Now let's review. So doubling, or take double, means two of the same thing. And when we double, we add two of the same thing. So the two numbers we add have to be the exact same. So 10 plus 10 equals 20, 30 plus 30 equals 60. But if we do 11 plus 10, that's not doubling. That does not work.